Welcome to our tutorial on how to convert text into numbers in Excel using Kutools for Excel. Have you ever encountered a situation where your numerical data in Excel is formatted as text, with single quotation marks before the numbers? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Step 1. Select the range. First, let's select the range of cells containing the text data that you want to convert into numbers. Step 2. Apply the utility. Now, navigate to the Kutools tab, then click on Text, and select Remove Characters. Step 3. Configure the settings. In the Remove Characters dialog box, check the option for non-numeric. This tells Excel to remove all non-numeric characters from the selected cells. You can preview the results in the preview pane to ensure that only the numeric characters will remain. Step 4. Apply the changes. Once you're satisfied with the preview, simply click OK or Apply to apply the changes. And just like that, the non-numeric characters have been removed, and your text data is now converted into numbers. That's it for today's tutorial on converting text into numbers in Excel using Kutools for Excel. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.